Hi, Paul here from OEM Audio. Now, you've probably seen the Leaderhub screens. They are more than just a TV. It can be a whiteboard for brainstorming, and people can write together at the same time. If they make a mistake, you can easily erase it by hand. Handwriting will also convert to text. You can also insert tables, pictures for an engaging presentation or lesson. If there are meeting notes to share with your audience, it's super easy. Just create a QR code for people to scan, and they'll be able to access the presentation later on. The Leaderhub screens also support PowerPoint presentations, and it's possible to annotate on the fly, which is awesome for brainstorming. If you need to cast a screen from your cell phone, tablet or computers, this can be done quickly from Mac or PC. Once the screen is mirrored, you can control via the device or by the Leaderhub screen using touch control. The Leaderhub screen is great for online meetings. The camera is high res and has a wide angle. The microphone can cope with a group of people, and a 4K screen is a great experience for everyone. It's also possible to share the whiteboard during an online meeting. There is also a digital signage feature. Set up a welcome sign, display directions or advertise. It's such great value. Use it as projector screen, whiteboard, cast from your laptop, watch a movie, advertise or play music. I saw these screens at a trade show and met the company owner Maggie. I was really impressed with these screens, and already they've been popular with schools, conference centres and for boardrooms. We're selling the 86-inch model for $5,999, and you can wall mount it or get one of the stands to wheel it about on. Come and see one in our showroom. We've normally got the cricket on, but we're happy to show you any of the features in person. 18 Iverson Terrace, Waltham, Christchurch, or go to our website www.omaudio.co.nz to read the specs in detail.